Image component.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. Today is day 62 of our web development course. Today is day 62 of our web development course. Okay. And today we are going to look at the image component. Okay, we're going to look at the image component. Okay. So our members, this is what we're going to look at today. Okay, this is what you're going to look at in today's class. Okay, the image component. Okay. Before you can look at what we're going to cover today in today's class, I would like to first have a recap about what we covered yesterday in yesterday's class previously. Okay. Yesterday was day 61. And yesterday we managed to cover the concept of components. Okay. We managed to cover the concept of components. Okay. Yesterday we introduced components. Okay. You know React right now, React or Next.js, especially Next.js, we use a lot of components. Okay. We use a lot of components, and components they simplify the app building process or the website building process. Okay. And yesterday we looked at various components. For example, the header component. That various components. For example, the header component. Okay. The header component. We managed to look at the hero component. We might look at the hero component. Okay. The hero component, and we managed to also look at the footer component. Okay, so members, yesterday we learned really a lot. Yesterday we learned really a lot. Okay, so members, if you happened to miss yesterday's class, I would urge you to go back and watch yesterday's video, because it's a continuation of what we covered yesterday. Okay, so look at the header component, look at the hero component, and look at the footer component. Okay, if you missed any of yesterday's class, please go back and watch yesterday's video. Okay, because it's going to be a continuation of what we're going to cover today. Okay, and it's that important. I would not like you to jump into today when you missed yesterday's class. Okay, we are going to continue from what we covered yesterday. Okay, so this is very crucial, and this is very crucial, very extremely crucial. Okay, so I can come and take off this. Okay, so this is what you're going to cover today. Okay, so members, if you have not yet subscribed, please hit the notification icon and the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the upcoming classes. Okay, we are going to cover really a lot, and I would not like you to miss out. Okay, so tomorrow I would like to talk about what we're going to cover tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be day 60. Tomorrow is going to be day 63, and we're going to introduce props. Okay, we're going to introduce props, or what we can call properties. Okay, tomorrow we're going to look at props, or what we can call properties, and we're going to look at props version 1. Okay, this is going to be version 1 of props. Okay, this is going to be version 1 of props. Okay, version 1 of props. Okay, there are going to be various versions, but I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of how the first version is. The 64 will be the second version. I'll be showing you how it's going to be. So members, don't miss. Okay, don't miss. Okay, so this is what we're going to cover tomorrow. Okay, so today we're going to look at the image component. Okay, so let me come here. You see my desktop is empty. Okay, I'm going to come here and I create here a new folder, as you can see. Then I create here my project, just like this, my project. Okay, then I come here and then I open with code, as you can see, open with code. Okay, so I'm opening with code here, as you can see, and I'm going to take you through how we are going to do the image component right from the beginning. I come here and right now I create my file. Okay, right now I'm not going to create a file from here. I'm going to come and open my terminal. I open my terminal very well. After opening my terminal, as you can see here, after opening my terminal, right now I'm waiting for it to open. Okay, it's here. So I'm going to come here and create my next project. I come here, my next.js project. I come and say npx create next app npx create next app at latest okay dot slash okay npx create next app at latest dot slash okay and I say enter. Okay, so it's going to create for me in my Next.js project. Okay. And remember, members, that right now we are using TypeScript. Right now, I should even tell you we are not going back to using plain JavaScript. We are using TypeScript. Okay, we're using TypeScript and Tailwind. Okay, TypeScript and Tailwind. Okay. So members, we are using TypeScript and Tailwind. Okay, we're using TypeScript and Tailwind in all our projects, and that's how it's going to be. Okay, with Next.js. Okay. So we are not going backwards. Members, if you missed any of these videos here, please go and watch them. Okay. So that's what we are going to do. So right now I'm waiting for it. It's here. Would you like to? It's giving me here. Would you like to use the default Next.js defaults here? I can come and say here. I can come and say yes. Okay, just use it, just say yes. Okay, so it's going to create for me a default of all of them. Okay, it's waiting for me a default of all of them. Okay, so right now you can see it looks like this. It's coming. Okay, so in the React DOM, the ESLint, it's coming. All of them are coming. Okay. So here, members, you can see right now we are going to look at the image component. And right now you can see that my packages have finished installing and they're bringing for me here success. Okay? They're bringing for me here success. Are you seeing? Success. Created my project at. See, everything is looking really nice. Okay. So here it has initialized the Git repository very well. The success is there. Okay. So right now we are going to come and create our project. So I can come here and divide my terminal into two. As you can see here, I can divide my terminal into two. Okay. So I'm going to teach you how we normally use the image component because most people it is a very big challenge when they are using the image component. Okay. So we're going to look at two things. We're going to look at when we are exporting images, when we are using image links, when we are using let me come here and put it here. Come here and say one. When we are using the image links, when we are using the image links, the image links from external browsers, and two, how we use downloaded images, how we use downloaded images, just like this, okay. So this is how it looks, okay. So here, members, I'm going to show you when we are using image links and how we are going to use downloaded images, okay. So I can come here right now. Everything looks to be good, okay. Then I can come here and I come, for example, in my app folder here, in my page.tsx. As you can see, my page.tsx is here. Are you seeing? So I can come and remove all this. This one is irrelevant to me, okay. This is relevant to me, which I find there is irrelevant, okay, in my page.tsx. So I come here and say rfc. I come, I put there my page. As you see, my page is there, okay. And I come here. RFC means React Functional Component, okay. I think right now, members, you are good with this, okay. I hope, members, you are good with this, okay. So I come here, I say npm run dev, npm run dev, like this, okay. So right now I run the dev. I'm now running my server, okay. So I want to see my project. I come here and say today we are going to study about we are going to study about image components, about the image component, okay. Then I want to talk about the image component. Okay. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Okay. Okay. So I can come here, as you can see, I copy this here, and I bring it here. Okay. And I bring it here. So I'm waiting for the server to load. I'm waiting for the server now to load. Okay. Okay. So right now they're going to talk about image component. So I want to see how it's going to bring it. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Today we are going to study about in the image component, and it is here. Okay. It is here. Are you seeing these members? This is very good. Okay. Okay. So right now everything looks to be very good on my side, as you can see. So right now I want to create some three, like some three what? Some three cards, okay? I want to create some three cards and I see them. I come here. I'm now creating example one, okay? I'm now creating example one, okay? Okay. So I'm going to come here. You say here div. I'm going to say here this is example one. Let me come here. Example one. Example one, okay? Example one, just like this. And right now I can come and comment this, okay? Example one. So I'm going to come here and say this is div, as you can see. Maybe let me use section. Let me use section. Section, okay? Section tag is here. So I come here, I create now. I come here and say width. I say here class name, class name. Then I come here, I create here width, full, width full. Then I come here, I say here height screen, okay? Height screen, okay? Height screen. Come here, I say BG, BG, okay? BG maybe amber, amber orange, like this, okay? Okay. So right now I want to say it looks like it's compiling, it's compiling, it's compiling, okay? It's like that, okay? Okay. This one doesn't look to be a little bit brighter for me. I can maybe come and say here amber. I want to get the real deep orange. The real deep orange. Now this one is too much brown. Let me use this one here. Okay? Let me use this one here, 500. Okay? It's coming like this, okay? Okay, right now you can see it's like that, okay? Okay. So right now we are using Tailwind. Members, guys, we are using Tailwind. We are using Tailwind along with TypeScript, okay? Okay. So I come here and now I want to create 3 cards, okay? I want to create 3 cards. I can come here and say this is div, okay? Right now I can come here and say width, maybe width I can maybe come and say width I can maybe come and say, let me come and put here class name, class name, class name. Then I come and say width, I come and say maybe, let me just put here 30%, okay? 30%, just 30%, okay? 30%, okay? Then I come here, I say height, height, maybe height. I come here and say height. Maybe I can maybe the height I can maybe just say like can I put like 70 VH? Okay, 70 VH, just like something like this. Okay. Then I come here, I put here for example BG, BG. Maybe background I can maybe put maybe green, green. Okay, green maybe like this. Okay, okay. So I want to say it looks like. So it looks like that, okay? Okay, right now I want to create 3 cards. I want to create 3 cards. But let me first create one and I borrow from there, okay? I borrow the same idea from there. So right now I want to create 3 cards. 1, 2, 3, okay? 1, 2, 3, okay? Okay, so right now I'm going to come and put them in the center. I'm going to come and put it in the center. So I come here, I say display flex. I say here flex, okay? I say here item center, item center, items center, okay? And I come, I say justify center, okay? Justify center, okay? Okay, so it's going to be in the center. It's going to be in the center here, okay? Okay, so right now I want to put here on this card here. This is a card, okay? This is a card. So you're seeing here is a card. And now this card here is going to have, for example, a top card, okay? A top card and just a simple description, and just a simple description. You can come here and put, for example, class name, class name. Then I come here, I say this is width. Width, this is maybe full, full. Then I come here, I say here height, height, height. I may say the height maybe the height I can maybe just put like 50 VH, okay? Like 50 VH, 50 VH, just like this. 50 VH. Okay, okay, just like this. And background color, I can maybe put maybe red. Okay, red. Just I'm still using the debugging colors to check. Okay, okay, it's like this. Okay, okay. And right now it looks like that. Then right now I can come and put here where we're going to put now. This is now where we're going to put the description, a simple description. I come and put here, for example, div. Okay, div. And I come here, I put here class name, and I come, I put here width full, okay, width full, and I come, I say here height I can just maybe subtract the height from the remaining, which is maybe 20 VH, as you see 20 VH is there, then I come, I say here BG, then I come, I say here, maybe what BG can I put here, maybe brown, maybe the one, the dark brown can work for me, maybe the gray can work, no, let me not use this one. Let me come and use here the BG. Then I come and use here. Which one can I put? Let me try. Let me see. Red, yellow, orange. Maybe purple. Purple work? Maybe pink one can work for me. Okay. Okay. Pink can work for me. So this one. Let me try this and I see. So it looks like that. Okay. Okay. So my image components are going to be there like that. So right now, as you can see, this one is going to contain my image. This one is going to containing my image. It's containing my image. Okay, my image. Okay, so it's containing my image. This component here is containing my image. Okay, okay. So this one is containing the description. So this one I can come, I put here, for example, Lorraine. Okay, I put a simple description. Okay, a simple description. Okay, okay. So it's coming. It's like that. Okay, the description is there. So I can come here and put maybe flex item center, flex. Okay, item center, justify center. Okay, okay. So my description I expect it to be in the middle. Okay, I expect it to be in the middle. Okay, okay. So I can come, I put maybe padding of about like 2 rem. Okay, padding of about 2 rem, Okay, 2 rem. Okay, okay. So padding is a little bit tricky. Padding is very tricky. Maybe let me put maybe 20, maybe 20 pixels. And 20 pixels works for me. Let me see. Okay, something of that sort. Okay, okay. But maybe padding. No, padding is tricky. Padding is very tricky. Let me just use here. Maybe let me use the default padding settings. I can me and put, for example, padding of maybe like let me use padding of 6. Okay, padding of 6. Let me use padding of 6. Okay, okay. So I want to say it looks like that. Okay, still it's not looking very good for me. Still it's not looking very good for me. Let me come and use here padding of maybe 12. Okay, padding of 12. Yeah, I think one thing I want, one thing, maybe let's go with 6. Okay, let's go with 6. Okay, let's go with 6. Okay, let's go like that. Okay, okay. Understand very well that that the that the that these ones here, they work normally on large screens. Okay, and that's why it is somehow trying to fail me. Okay, understand very well. It's somehow trying to fail me. So I know it works on large screens, but let me go like this. Let me go like that. Padding of 6. Okay, okay, like that. Okay, let's go like that. Okay, okay, my card is like that. So here right now this is the container holding the simple description. Right now this is the container that's going to hold my image. Okay, it's going to hold my image. So I can come here and put, for example, image. Like there is the same way you see the image here, the image tag. The same way we used it in HTML. Okay, I want to tell you the reason why we're going to change from this image tag here to and then we use the next image. Okay, okay, just hold on tight, I'm going to show you how we're going to change dramatically from this one to the other one. Okay, okay. So right now here we have an alt tag. As you can see, the alt tag is here. Can I come here? I put a sample image, just sample image. Okay, as my alt tag. Alt tag means the alternative text. Alternative text is in case the image fails to show, it will show this alternative text. Okay, it will show this alternative text. Okay, okay. So right now let me see how it's going to be. Okay, example image, as you can see, it's there. So right now I want to go here to Play Store. I want to go right now on Google, not to Play Store. My mind is thinking about mobile apps, but right now I'm going to go on Google and I need to get a sample image. Okay, okay. So right now I feel like we have done this. This container is good for me. This container is good. Are you seeing this container? It's good. Okay, this component is very good. Okay. Okay, so right now I'm going to duplicate this component. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this component into three. Into three. Okay, I come, I copy, and I duplicate into three. This is two. This is three. Okay, okay. So right now I can see now there are three. Okay, one, two, three. I'm duplicating them. Okay, I'm now duplicating them. Okay, okay. So right now there is no gap. There is no gap. And right now there's no gap on the overall container. So I can come here and say here gap of maybe a gap of maybe 4. Okay, gap of maybe 4, and we see. Okay, gap is there. Okay, gap is now there. Okay, okay. So right now we are going to teach you how we are going to use the background. Okay, we are going to put an image here, image here, image here, and image here, image here, image here, and image there. Okay, okay. So right now, how are we going to do this? How are we going to do this? This is another question or thought. Okay, okay. So right now there are two ways of doing this, and those two ways I talked about them. We either come and use the image links, or we use our downloaded images. But right now, let me first talk about the image links. Okay, okay. So how I going to do this? I can come here right now. It's something I've forgotten. I've forgotten something very, very, very crucial. Remember, do you see this what I've forgotten? I've forgotten something very, very, very crucial. Okay, okay. I've forgotten something very crucial. Okay, let me leave the title. Let me leave the title out. Let me leave the title out. But next time I'm going to put the title. Okay. In my next coming example, I'm going to put the title. Okay. Let me just first focus on the image here. Okay. Okay. So right now you can see my description is here, my description is here, and my description is here. Okay. Okay. So right now I want to put an image here, an image here, an image here. There are two ways. I can use the image links, or I can use the or I can use the downloaded images. Okay. Okay, so now let me first look at the image links here. I can come here and look, for example, like maybe like let me look for televisions. Okay, televisions. Okay, let me look for televisions. Images. I come here in my images. Okay, I'm now trying to look for television. Okay, trying to look for television. So right now, why don't I get like this one here? I see this one is good. This one looks to be good. Okay, this one looks to be good. This one also looks to be good. So let me get like let me get like this one. Okay, let me get like this one. So I can come I come here, I copy image. There's image address. There is copy image, save image, and there are a lot of options. Okay, there are a lot of options. So there are a lot of options. So let me first go here to Jumia. Let me go to Jumia. Let me go to Jumia. Let me go to Jumia. Okay, let me go to Jumia. So right now Jumia is here. So I am going to come here and put, for example, like televisions. Okay, televisions, televisions. Okay, okay. So right now I'm looking for televisions, televisions like this. So right now I want to get, for example, like a television. For example, like let me select this one. Okay, let me select this one. Okay, okay. So right now let me first come and I copy image address. Copy a lot of things. Copy image. Copy save image as. Copy image address. Okay. Copy image address. Okay. Copy is copy image link address. Copy link address. Copy image address, and yeah, there's a lot of things. Copy. Let me get copy image address here. Okay, there is copy link address and copy image address. Members, copy link address, copy link address, copy link address. Okay, copy link address. There is copy link address and copy image address. Okay, so this one's try to confuse people. Okay, okay. Let us first copy image address and we see. Let's copy image address and we see. I'm going to tell you the one that you're going to go with. Okay, okay. So I can come and put this one here. Okay, come and put this one here. Copy image address. So when I'm putting it there, it's there. Okay, it is there. Okay, So as you can see, it has come very well. Okay, it has come very well. Okay, it has come very well as it is. Copy image address as the image is. Okay, it has come. Okay, okay. So members, you can see it looks like this. Okay, members, there are two ways. You saw someone can even copy the link address. Now this is image address. So what about if someone says copy image, copy link address? You know those things tend to confuse people. They confuse people, okay? They confuse people. So copy image address and copy link address. Copy link address and we see. Those ones they confuse people a lot. They confuse people a lot, really a lot, okay? They confuse people really a lot. So someone has to be warned about that, okay? Okay. So this is copy link address. So let us see how it looks like. Okay, it looks like this, okay? Link address. Okay, link address looks like this. Okay, okay. So members, you can see right now that we are now copying the link address and it looks like this. Okay, it gives us the whole image as it is. So members, this one is link address, the other one is image address. Okay, okay. So we shall always go with the link address. We shall always go with the link address. Okay, link address, not image address, but link address. Okay, copy link address. So when you copy the link, because it's a link linking us to that place. Link address, not image address, but link address. Okay? Okay. So it's not confused. We shall always and always be using the link address. Link address. In case you want to copy external images, links, those links shall use copy link address. Link address. Link address. Okay? Copy link address. Okay, copy link address like this as it is. Okay, okay. So it will look like this. As you can see, it looks like this. So here you can see my container looks like this. Okay, so right now I'm seeing like as if it's not being shaped. That has no shape. Okay, it has no, as if it has no shape. Okay, so all of them are going to do the same thing. I'm going to come here. I'm going to come here. Also here, I'm going to put, but I'm not going to, I'm not going to put, I can maybe choose another television. Can maybe come and choose another television. Okay? Maybe, I know I fall in love with televisions today. I can maybe put fridges, I can put smartphones, but today let me just use televisions. Okay? Let me just use televisions. Copy link address. Okay? Copy link address. So when I copy link address, I come and I put on the second container. Okay? On the second container. Where is the second container? It is here. It is here. Okay? Second container is here and it's there. Okay? Okay. So I want to see how it looks like. Second container, I want to see how it looks like. It's compiling. It is there. Okay? Second container is there. So now I want to go and see now the third container. The third container which is here. Okay? That container which is there. I can come here and right now I want to see the third container. I want to see the third container. I want to get now a very stunning image and I put it there. Okay? This one holding a football ball. This one here, a football. Okay? It's this one. Let me get this one. Copy image address and copy link address. Copy link address, not image address. Copy link address. Okay? Link address. I come here where there is this source directory, source src. Okay? I paste there. Okay? Okay. So it looks like that. And right now, I can see here it's there. Okay? Okay. So right now my image is not looking nice because it's entering other container. It's entering another container. Okay? So I have to control the image. I can come here, I give it a class. I give it a class. Okay? Come here, I give it a class. Okay? Okay. So where can I give it a class from? I can come here. Okay? Come here, I give it class name. And I give it, for example, width. I can maybe give it full. Or I can come and give it max width. Max width. Okay? Max width, then I give it here full. Okay? Full. Then I come and give it here height. Height screen. Or I can give height screen or height screen or because height screen finishes everything. Okay? It completes everything. So let me give it maybe height full. Okay? Height full. Okay? Height full. So let me see how it looks like. So it looks like this, okay? It looks like this, okay? Okay, wow, this is good, okay? This is good. So I can just come and copy these ones and I put them also on other containers, okay? On other containers. So I can come here on this other container, I put the class name there. It's there. So I can come also on this other container, I put also the class name there. Okay, they use the same classes. Okay, okay. So it looks very good. Looks very good, and it's there. Okay, okay. So I can come and I can come right now. Then I give, for example, like I now center. Okay, I can come I center. I can come here and put, for example, flex item center justify center. Okay, flex item center justify center, just like this. Okay, okay, just like that. Okay, okay. So it looks good. It looks good for me. It looks good for me. So I can come and copy all this like that. Right now you can see it looks like that. Okay, looks like that. So it looks good, and I can come and put this one here. No, let me take it back. Let me take it back. I can come inside here. Right now, where there is a BG here, come I put it inside here. Okay. Even here, it looks good already. Then I can come inside here. You can see it looks like this. I can come here inside the div. I put this one also. Flex item center, justify point center. So they be in the center now. They all be in the center. Okay. They all now be in the center. Okay. Okay. Right now it looks good. Right now it looks very good. Okay. Looks good. So my card, I'm going to make my card from red. I'm going to remove this red and I make it white. I make it just white. Okay. I remove even this pink. I remove this pink even, and I just make it only white. Okay. I make it only white. Okay. Background color white. Background color white. Okay. Just like this. So how does it look? I remove. Yeah, it looks good. Looks good for me. Looks good for me. So right now I can just maybe come and put here maybe box shadow. Maybe some bit of rounded, maybe like rounded, maybe I can maybe just put like rounded. I can maybe put like Excel. Oh, can Excel work for me? Extra large? Okay, it's good. Excel can work for me. Okay, Excel can work for me. But there's no padding here. You know, padding is padding is missing here. Padding is missing. Okay, padding is missing. I know that very well. Padding is missing. Padding is missing here. But let's first go like that, okay? For the first example, let's first go like that. I'll change this. I'll make this change when we're going to our second example, okay? Okay, so it looks good there. I can come and remove this BG pink here. Come and remove this BG pink. I come and remove this one for red here. And then now right now I can come and put this one here, okay? Oh, there is an error here, okay? Once you put something weird, it will give you an error. Okay? Okay. So I can come now and I remove this one here. Come and now remove the BG pink, which you're seeing the BG pink here, remove it. We're just using that one to debug. Come also remove the red here. Okay? And now I also remove the green here. And now I just put this one here. Okay? Okay. Just like that, rounded like that. Okay? Okay. So now I remove those debugging colors and it looks like this. Okay? Wow. Wow, 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 guys. Wow, 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 wow. Okay? Wow. Looks good for me. Looks good for me. So members, this is how we normally do when we are when we are when we are using URLs, okay? When we are using URLs, okay? Okay, this is how we normally do when we are using external links from outside, okay? When you're using external links from outside, okay? Okay, this is how we normally do, okay? Okay, and right now, I can even come and right now I can come and even just right now I can even come and wrap this one and I put in a component, okay? Okay, you see this whole section here? You see this whole section, okay? I can come and wrap it and I put it in a component and I just bring it on this page. Instead of the whole section being like this, I can come and create here components, okay? Come here outside here, create components like this, okay? My folder called components. And I come inside here and I create inside here my folder. I come I create here a new file. Okay? I come here, I say image component, image component, image component, image component, image component one, image component one, image component one.tsx, just like this. Okay? image component 1.tsx, as you can see it like this, okay? Okay. So this is image component 1.tsx. Okay, you're seeing this one is like that, okay? Okay. So I can come maybe this one here, image component 1, as you can see, it looks like this. So I can come, I say here RFC just like this. So image component 1 is there. So I can come and right now I copy all this one here. For example, 1. I control X and I put it inside here. Okay? And I put it inside there. Okay? And looks like that. Okay? And looks like that. Okay? Okay. So now I can come and remove this div here. Remove the div. Remove this div. It looks weird. Move a div which has come with it. Remove the div which has come with it. Okay? Move this div. Move this div. Okay? Okay. So right now it looks good. It looks very good. And right now where I just come, I bring this component there. I come, I bring the component. Come, I say here image component. Image. Come, I'm now right now I'm going to come and bring the image component there. Image component. Component 1, as you see image component 1, I bring it, I import it there and I bring it, okay? It's like that. So when I bring it inside there, it looks very good for me. And it's coming, it has been built, okay? Okay, so right now we have looked at the first session of our image component, okay? Okay, so right now this is when we are using links, okay? Copy link address like that, okay? Okay, long time ago we used to even set here in next.config.js, but right now I don't see, I've not even faced any challenge before. I haven't seen any challenge so far, and I think they erased this challenge, okay? Okay, so right now members, one thing I want to tell you is that right now we are using Next.js, okay? Right now we are using Next.js. Right now we are using Next.js. Right now you can move safely like this, but right now this one is not looking good, okay? Okay. This one here, when you do something like this, right now we have finished the first part. Right now, one thing I can tell you is that when you use image, this one here, image, okay? Image img, then you come and say, for example, source, and you come and put something like this, and I come and say here alt, okay, like this. Members, I can tell you one thing. One thing I'm going to tell you is this one here is outdated. This one here is outdated, okay? This one here is outdated. Now, when you're using Next.js, this one here is outdated. I come and put there, outdated, okay? Outdated, okay? Outdated, okay? This one is outdated. That's one thing I can tell you. This is outdated, okay? Okay, so please try so hard to resist this, okay? This is outdated, okay? This is outdated. Let's avoid this. Let us avoid this, okay? Let us avoid this one of using img, because right now we are now in Next.js and we want us to use now the image component. And right now we are going to change. And right now we're going to use the image from next image, okay? We're now going to use this one here. Okay, we're now going to use this one here, the image component from next image, okay? Okay, so what they're going to do, instead of using this img, come and change it. Eh? Why am I telling you to change this? You know, when you use images from, when you use the image component from next image, when you use the image component from next image, this one here, okay? It reloads, it loads the images. It does lazy loading behind the scenes. That's lazy loading behind the scenes, okay? There's lazy loading behind the scenes, and this image here is pre-downloaded for us. It's pre-downloaded for us, okay? So when someone comes and maybe they tap on this one here, it's not going to reload again. It's not going to reload again, okay? Unlike when you're using the img, this one here. So this one is outdated. Members, watch out for this. Don't use this again, okay? I use it intentionally for me to teach you. Don't use this img again, okay? In Next.js, you're going to use this image from next image. It is from next image. It is from next image, okay? Okay. So I can come here and instead of this image here, img, I'm going to come and say here image, okay? Image from next image, okay? Image from next image, image from next image, image from next image, image from next image, okay? 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 Okay. Image from next image, and it has uploaded it from here. It has imported it from here. Image from next image, okay? Okay. So this is good and it still works for me. Let me come and see. compiling. I understand what is happening. Understand what is happening. Okay? Understand what is happening. Okay? Okay. So members, here it's missing the width property and the height property. Okay? Width property and the height property. Okay? Okay. So members, when you use the image, when you use the next image, when you use the next image, when we use the next image, I come here. When we use the next image, when we use the next image, next image, okay? It wants us to put all these things, the source, okay? Wants us to put the source, wants us to put the alt tag, the alternative text, okay? Then it wants us to put the width property, and wants us to put also the height property, okay? The height property, okay? Okay? Okay. So all these ones must be there, okay? So I can come here, and now right now I come here. I know I've already given the width here, but you redefine them again, okay? Redefine them again, okay? Okay. So I come here, I put here, for example, width, okay? I put maybe like 600, okay? And I put here maybe height. Maybe I can maybe also just put maybe 600, okay? Yeah, I can maybe I put here maybe 600, just like this. If it's a square image, if it's a rectangular image. So I want to just see, okay? Okay, so I want to just see what's going to happen. So it's coming here, invalid source property is not configured. Wow, members, there are a lot of errors that come in, okay? There are a lot of errors that come in, okay? There are a lot of errors that come in, okay? Okay, now members, I wanted us to look at all these errors. The first one was it must have a source, alt, width, and height, okay? Which have certified this condition. You have certified this condition. That's a source, very well. Eh? It has an alt, very well. It has a width, very well. And it has a height, very well. That's the first condition we have satisfied. The first condition we have satisfied, okay? Okay. So now the second condition is configure. Configure. Okay? Second condition is configure. Okay? Configure these images. Configure these images. Okay? Configure these images. Okay? Okay, configure these images. Okay? Okay, configure. Just configure. So how do you configure our images? I come here in my next.config.tsx. Okay? It is fresh as you see it there. Next.config.ts. Okay? Next.config.ts. I come here and write a configuration. Okay? I come and write a configuration there. Now me I like so much the configuration which makes me to move neutrally across all websites. But there is a configuration which you can write for a particular website, but me I like the one which makes me to move from one website to another. Okay? Okay. So how am I going to do this? I'm going to come here and say images. Images, okay? We are now configuring images, okay? Okay, I come here and I put here, I open the quotes, as the quotes are there, okay? I'm now configuring images. We are now configuring images. I come here and say, we are now configuring images. We are now configuring images. We are now configuring images. Configuring images. Okay? We're now configuring images. Okay? Okay. Come here, I put images, okay? I put here remote patterns. Remote patterns. Okay? Okay, just like this. Then I come, I open those quotes. They don't look like as if they are arrays. Okay? So right now you can see images, remote patterns, okay? Images, remote patterns, images, remote patterns, okay? Images, remote patterns, and this is in next.config.ts. This is in next.config.ts, okay? Okay. So after doing something like this, what are you going to do? I come in inside the remote patterns. I put here protocol. I open the quotes there, as you can see, okay? I put here protocol, okay? Protocol. Then I come here, I put here HTTP, okay? HTTPS, okay? HTTPS, okay? Then I come here and put, for example, I put, for example, that one, the comma. Then I come inside here and I put here host name. Host name, this is the one that is neutral, okay? This is the one that is neutral, okay? Okay. This is the one that is neutral, okay? Host name, like this. Host name, then I come, I put here star 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 star, 2 stars, okay? Okay. This one here is neutral across all, okay? It's neutral across all, okay? Okay, just like this, just like that. So when I come here and I see it's coming, it's coming. Let me first reload. See, let me first reload and we see. So members, we have done this change, okay? We have done this change, okay? Okay. So this one is one that is neutral across all sides, okay? It's neutral across all sides, okay? Okay. So now they are asking me for it's coming, it's coming. Let's give it time. 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 It's coming. It's coming. You know, when you change something in next.config, when you change something in next.config, as if you have restarted the whole server. And sometimes it can even blow for some time, okay? Sometimes it can even blow for some time, okay? Okay. So it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Let's give it some time, let's give it some time. It's coming. I hope it's coming. It's there. Wow! Wow, 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 wow. Okay? Okay, it is here. It is here. Remember, this is a neutral hack. Okay? No, members, no, mark this. This is a neutral hack. Okay? There are many ways of putting images here, but someone could put maybe the domain name of that company like Jumia. But me, this is a neutral hack. This is a neutral hack. Grab this neutral hack. Okay? Neutral, let me say like this is a neutral pattern, okay? A neutral pattern of doing things, okay? For all sites, okay? For all sites. And let me come and copy this one and I put it next in let me come and put this one in the browser for someone take some notes, okay? So in the browser for someone take some notes. I can come here and I put this one here, okay? Next config, next config, next config, next.config. .config.ts, okay? Okay. Some members, it's like this, okay? Next.config.ts. So it looks like this, okay? Okay. Some members, you can see right now it looks like that. Right now it's like this, okay? It's like this. So members, this is how it looks, okay? So you can even come and maybe you take some notes, okay? You can come and take some notes, okay? Okay, just like that. That is how it is, okay? Okay. So right now my next config looks to be like this. My next config looks to be like this. Be like this. Images, remote patterns, protocol, HTTPS, host name, like that, up to the end. Okay? It's a neutral hack, okay? Okay. So I'm going to do the same thing for this one here. I'm going to do the same thing for this one. Okay? The image here. Okay? Come here very well and put your next image. Don't use this one anymore. Never use that one for IMG anymore. That is HTML and CSS, okay? Okay, we're no longer using that. Okay? We're no longer there. Okay? Okay, so now I can come and put here width and height. Okay? Width is missing. Width is missing. Okay? Width is missing. Okay? Width is missing. Come I put here, for example, 600. Okay? And I come I put here height. Maybe height is here, and then maybe I come here, I put here maybe height. I put here height is maybe 600. Okay, 600. Okay, okay. Wow, members, this is very good. This is very good. Very, 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 very good. Very, very good. So, members, if you're liking this, please hit the subscribe button, notification icon. And don't miss any of the upcoming classes. It's good. This is a tick. This is a tick. This is a tick. This is a tick. Okay. And left with this. We're left with this. Okay. Okay. So I can come here. And right now I am here. Okay. Do I ever use this img? This is HTML right now. We are not on that standard right now. We are now on the next standard, okay? Okay, so I can come here and put here, for example, img image like this. I come here and put the width property width like this. Then I come here and put 600, okay? Then I come and put here even the height. And I come I put here 600, okay? Okay. So members, wow, this is nice, okay? This is really nice, okay? Okay. So this is nice. I can feel it, it's nice, okay? Okay. So as you can see, we are excellent. Bravo. We are excellent at this moment. At this level, we are excellent, okay? Here, give yourself, if you have followed me up to where we are right now, here, on number one, you are good. On number one, we are good. Okay? On number one, we are good. On number one, we are good. We are good. Okay? Okay? We are good. Number one, we are good. Okay? Okay. So now, number two. Number two. Okay? Number two is now next. Okay? Number two is now next. Number two is now next. Okay? Number two is now next. Okay? What are you going to do for number two? Because number two is now the one which is next. Okay? Okay. So what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Right now, instead of now, number two is how do you use downloaded images? Okay? Okay. So I can come here. Bravo. Bravo. Members, this is very nice. If you really like this, please hit the like button. Hit the like button and we continue. Okay, if you have any question, if you are lost somewhere, please let me know and I see how I can help you. Okay, please let me know and I see how I can help you. Okay, okay. So members, now we are now moving on to the second step. Okay, how do we use downloaded images? Okay, okay, okay. So members, some people don't want to use. We're now on step two. How do you use downloaded images? How do we use downloaded images? Use downloaded images. Downloaded images. Okay? Okay. Some people don't want to. I know very well some people are very biased. And some people don't want to use. I know some people don't want to use they don't want to use the what? The image links. Yeah, I know there are some people don't want to use the image links. Some people don't want to use image links. Some people don't want don't want to use the image links. Okay, the image links. Okay, okay. So members, why do some people don't want to use image links? Because what if I come here, I put here what if okay, what if using image links is good, yeah? Using image links is good. If maybe it is your site you're trying to copy the image from, it's good, okay? What if you wake up tomorrow and Jumia is closed? Let me say let me come and say are you seeing these images we are getting from here? Are you seeing these images we are getting from here? Imagine you wake up tomorrow and this image is removed from the browser. If you wake up tomorrow and this image is removed from the browser, what's going to happen to you? This image will also disappear from here. It will disappear completely. Okay? Because we are using an image link here, linking us to what? To that image. Okay? We're using an image link here. Using this image here. https ug.jumia is and save like that. All those things, okay? All those things. So if you wake up tomorrow and these images are no longer there on Jumia here. Even here on our website, they will disappear. That's a disadvantage of using image links. Okay? That's a disadvantage of using image links. Okay? Okay. So some people they prefer to download the images. Some people they prefer. If you wake up tomorrow, I was saying what if and the image is no longer there. And the image is no longer there. And the image is no longer there. It's no longer there. No longer there. On Jumia. On Jumia. And image is no longer there on Jumia. Okay? Even on our website, it will disappear. Come, I put here. Even on our website, it will disappear. On our website, it will disappear. Okay? So sometimes watch out for using image URLs or image links. Okay? Even on our website, it will disappear. It will disappear completely. To disappear completely. Okay? So members, watch out for this. Okay? Watch out for this. Okay? Okay. So some people they prefer, instead of using image URLs or image links, someone says, me I want to download the image and put it there by myself. Now download the image and put it there. Download the image and put it there by myself. Download the image and put it there and put it there, put it there by myself. By myself. Okay? By myself. You know, when you download the image, it becomes 100% safe. Okay? Even if the image disappears from here, for you have your own image. Okay? In your website, you have your own image. Okay? Okay. So let's go to that step and we see. Let's go to that step and we see. Okay? Let's go to that step and we see. Okay? Okay. So how are you going to do this? How are you going to do this? I can come here. I can come here. Right now, let me come here and we see. We're now on that step, okay, of downloading images, okay? Okay, so let me first create my another component, okay? Let me first come here, and right now, let me first come here, my page.jsx. This was image component 1, okay? So I'm going to come here and create now image component 2. I can come and put here section, as you see a section. No, let me create here image component 2, okay? And I bring it inside here, okay? Image component 2. This was image component 1. I'm creating now image component 2, okay? Okay. So I'm coming here, components. I create here image component 2. Image component 2. Image component 2. Just like this. .tsx. .tsx, just like that. Okay. So I come here. Right now it's here. So I put here RFC. The image component 2 is there. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to come and bring this image component 2. I put here. I put here image component 2. Image component 2. Okay. Okay. And select that. It's like that. Okay. It's like that. Okay. It's like that. It's like that. Okay. Image component 2. So I'm going to come here my image component 2, and right now I'm going to put here my section. Remove this div. I come here, put here section like this. Come here, put here width, class name. I come here, put here width full. Okay. Height. Let me say maybe screen. Okay. Background color, maybe purple. Oh, purple. Let me give you a purple like this. Okay, 950. Okay, so how the site looks like. Let me go here and I say it looks like. So it is here. My second component. My first component is here. My second component is here. So this is example. I come here in my page here. This was example 1 for image component 1. This is example 2. This is example 2. Example 2. Okay? Okay. So they are all different, but they want to look at the same, but they are different. Okay? Application of the concept is different. Okay? Okay. So this was 1, this is now 2, second component. Okay? Okay. So I'm bringing the components in my page here. Okay? I'm bringing the components in my page. So what I want to do, I come here. Section is like this. Section is like that. Okay? Okay. So it's like that. What am I going to do? I'm going to come like this and you see. I'm going to come here and I put there now. I'm going to create now an image. I'm creating now the cards. Why don't I just copy the cards the same way they are? Let me just copy the cards the same way they are here. Instead of stressing so hard, let me just come and copy all these cards the same way they are here. I want to stress so hard, okay? Let me not stress so hard. Because the concepts are almost the same, okay? Just that application of the concept is different, okay? Application of the concept is different. Why should I bother repeating everything when we're going to do almost the same thing, but just differently, okay? Okay. So right now, I'll just change maybe the color maybe to purple. Just change maybe the color to purple, okay? Color to purple. I come here maybe BG, maybe to purple. Purple like this. Purple just like this. 950 like this. 950. Okay? Okay. So right now we are going to work here. Our emphasis is going to be here. Okay? Emphasis is going to be here. Members, emphasis is now going to be here. Okay? Okay. So members should be guided and they know. Okay. So I come here, I import my image from next image like this. It's there. My emphasis is now going to be here. Remove this HTTPS, remove that HTTPS thing. Okay. My emphasis is now going to be here. Also remove this HTTPS thing. Okay. Remove this one. This is now when you're importing images from outside. Okay. Okay. So how it looks like. It's like this, okay? It's black, okay? Okay. This one was like this one is like this, okay? Like this, okay? Okay. So now I'm not showing, we're not going to use images from URLs or from links, okay? We're not going to directly download the image and use it, okay? Okay. So now let me go, instead of televisions, let me go to fridges. Let me go now to fridges, okay? Let me now go to fridges. Fridges. Fridges, okay? Fridges, okay? Fridges like this. So right now the fridge is like this. I'm coming here. And I get a fridge. I want to get like 3 fridges. I download 3 fridges, okay? 3 fridges. What are the best fridges I have here? ADH, this is ADH. This is now, I see all of them are ADH. See all of them are ADH. I see this is ADH, ADH, ADH like that, okay? So I just want to get only 3. I want to get only 3. And I come here. Right now I want to save image as. Come on this image. I see this image here. Save image as. Save image as. Let me first knock on it. Come on this image here. Tap there and say save image as. Save image as. Save image as. Save image as means they are downloading the image. They're downloading the image. Okay? Save image as. Save image as. Tap there. So for me, I'm downloading the image right now. And my image is coming on the what? On the desktop. Your image is going to come in downloads. But my image is coming on desktop, okay? I change this the default format to desktop, okay? Come I put here fridge one. Fridge one. Okay, fridge one. Save. So it's downloading. It's downloading. So when I come on my desktop, it is here. Fridge one is here. Okay? Fridge one is there. Okay? Okay. So right now I want to go for the second fridge. Go for the second fridge. Go for the second fridge. Which other fridge is really interesting? There's this one here, and now there's this one. Okay? But why don't I vary? Now I put variations. This one looks to be as if it's the same. It's boring me. So let me come maybe I want variations, eh? I want some variations. So let me come I put here maybe let me choose. Which one can I choose? Which one can I choose? Which one can I choose? Which one can I choose, members? Which one can I choose? Which one can I choose? Which one can I choose? Okay, I know one that looks a little bit nice. Okay, let me go for this one. Let me go for this one. Let me go for this one. So it's this one here. I'm going for this one. Okay, come here. Left click. Left click. There's left click and right click. Left click and right click. I left click. Okay, and I say save image as. Come here. Fridge 2. Fridge 2. Okay, fridge 2. Like that. Save. So it's downloading. Everything is downloading. So it comes on my desktop. It is here. Fridge 2. Wow, good. So right now I want to go for now the third fridge. Okay, the third fridge. So the third fridge, where is it? Members, please give me some suggestions. I'm not seeing these ones as if they are nice. They are not looking very nice. Okay, let me go for this one. Okay, let me go for this one. Okay, let me get this one. Save image as. Save image as. Okay, save image as. Then I come I put the fridge 3. Okay, fridge 3. Save fridge 3. Okay, okay. So fridge 3 is here. Okay, okay. It's like that. Fridge 1, fridge 2, fridge 3. Okay. So I'm going to come inside my project here. I'm going to come inside my project. Members, watch out for this. My images are here. If your images are in the download folder, please go in the download folder and see where they are. My images are not in the download folder. My images, I put them direct go on the desktop. Okay? My images will always go, my downloads go on the desktop by default. Okay? Okay. So, fridge 1, fridge 2, fridge 3. Okay? Now, we are going to put them in all images. All images are going to come. All images are going to be put, are going to be put to be put in the public folder. In the public folder. Okay? They all want to be put in the public folder. Okay? Okay. So now I come and look at my app here. My project. I double tap on it and I see what is inside. There's git, next, there's app, components, node modules, .git ignore, ES.config, next.config, all these ones, package it up, post CSS, like that. My emphasis is only here. Focus, public folder. This one here, okay? Public folder. I want to, after opening my public folder, I can maybe compress it like this. I want to come, I bring all my images here. I drag them and paste them there. Drag, zip, and I put them there. Okay? That's one. Inside the public folder, all the things that you want to be shown on the browser, put them in the public folder. Okay? Okay. Now fridge 2 inside the public folder. Okay? Fridge 3 inside the public folder like this. Okay? Okay. Okay? Okay. Good. Very, very good. Okay? So now they're in a public folder. When I come and look at them here, public, they're here. Fridge 1, fridge 2, fridge 3. As simple as that. As simple as that. As simple as that. They're inside the public folder. Okay? Okay. So members, if I come and put, for example, slash. Okay? Slash. Just put slash. Why I'm not asking myself why isn't it suggesting. Let me first put dot slash. Okay, let me put slash. Sometimes it gets some challenges with suggesting, but it's be suggesting for me. I don't know why it's not suggesting for me. I don't know why. Let me put maybe this. I force it to suggest. Okay, let me come here and put slash. Okay, I put it as it looks here. Fridge. Now where am I? Where am I? Am I on the first one or am I on the last one? So I'm going to come here. Here, are you seeing it? On the first one here, okay? So I'm going to start with the first fridge image here. Come I put here slash fridge fridge1.jpg, okay? Fridge1.jpg, okay? So let me see if it's there. Let me come, I see if it's there. Loading, I see. It's here already. It's there already, okay? It's there already. It has already come. Slash just fridge1, okay? Slash fridge1. Just as simple as that. As simple as that. This one you're seeing here. This one you're seeing there, okay? Okay. So I can come right now and now where's my secondary card? It's here. Slash fridge2. Slash fridge2. Fridge2.jpg like this, okay? So let me come and see how it looks like. It's there, compiling. Wow! Wow, it is there. Okay? It is there. Okay? Okay. So right now, let me come and put even fridge 3. Fridge 3, where is fridge 3? Come here. I put a slash fridge 3. Slash fridge 3.jpg. Fridge 3.jpg. Okay? Compiling. If there's a problem, it will show. It will fail to show. Okay? I know these problems that happen. Okay? No, I feel like there's a problem. I know there is a problem. Fridge spelling error. Fridge FRIDGE FRIGGD spelling error. Okay? Fridge fridge DGE like that. Okay? Make just one mistake, it will fail to show. Okay? Okay. So let me go back and see. Wow. I feel like members, we are moving on the right path. Okay? Okay. So right now, members, you have seen that we have two ways of bringing images into our components. Okay? The image component. Okay? There's this one here where I use the image URL from the browser, and also there's this one here where you just download the image directly and put it in your card. Okay? There are two ways. Okay? This one and this one here. So you just choose your most preferred way. Just choose your most preferred way and you go along with it. Okay? Okay. So members, right now I feel like we have really learned a lot. Okay? Right now I feel like we have really learned a lot. Okay? I feel like we have really learned a lot. And right now we are becoming seniors. Each and every day that goes by, you become seniors. Okay? You're becoming seniors. Oh, you want to become senior than me? I want to become senior than me, okay? If you want to become senior than me, it's okay. As long as you can practice, okay? On a daily basis, practice on a daily basis, and you make sure that you practice. If you have any challenges, please reach out to me. Reach out to me in the comment section, and so I can help you, okay? Okay. So members, I would like to end here today. Please practice, eh? And members, if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and notification icon so you don't miss any of the upcoming classes, okay? Okay. Members, tomorrow is going to be day 63 and we want to look at props, okay? We want to introduce props, okay? Props version 1. Props version 1, okay? Okay. So members, I wish you all the best. Please practice this. Practice this one here. There's this first concept and there's this second concept, okay? Okay. Practice these concepts very well, okay? Okay. I wish you a very nice day. We shall meet in tomorrow's class next video. Okay?